If you ever tried creating a music video from scratch, you know how much work it is. That is why I use Freebeat AI to create my music videos with their new AI music video agent that does all the work for you. This AI music video agent can create music videos in a click of a button, and now with their new update, it is better than ever. I have left a link to Freebeat AI in the video description if you want to follow along. So once you go to Freebeat AI, just click on Make Free Music Videos. Freebeat AI does give 500 credits for free to new users. So if this is your first time using Freebeat AI, you will receive 500 credits for free to test out and to try Freebeat AI. You also will get 200 credits every day you check in. Now to create a music video, we have to use their music video agent. The first thing you need to do is add your song. Freebeat AI gives you many options to choose from, so this makes it really easy for music creators to find their songs right on the platform that they use. The platforms you can use are Spotify, SoundCloud, YouTube, Suno, Udio, and Refusion. You can simply just click on one of the platforms and then use the search bar to find the song that you are looking for. This makes life very easy for you to add songs straight from any platform you want without needing to download it. You can also upload your custom AI-generated songs by using the Upload Music button. Once your song has been uploaded, you need to select the part of the song that you want to use for your music video. You can also use the presets. I will use 60 seconds, and then I just need to drag it to the part I want to use. Now the next thing we need to do is select our character we want to use for the AI music video. Simply click on the upload button and upload the character you want to use. Now, a lot of questions I get is how good is Freebeat AI's character consistency? I have generated 8 music videos, one for each of these characters, to show you exactly how good is the character consistency of Freebeat AI.
Back against the brick, waiting for the call. Leather on my shoulders, iron in my veins, breaking every link in the city's chains.
Concrete jungle, but I'm feeling at home. Street lights humming while I'm walking alone. Denim jacket blue like the mood of the track. Looking at the city, never looking back. Hoodie pulled up, keeping out the breeze. Moving through the
Size, gray and black. I'm moving at a pace that you can't track. Couple pockets full of everything I need. Painting all the shadows, watching them bleed. Dark city.
wood smoke rising in the autumn air. I've got a heavy heart and a secret to share. My green wool cardigan keeps the world away while I try to find the words that I'm too afraid to say.
Truly born. Flannel on my waist, tied in a knot, giving everything for barefoot in the grass with a lace trim top. Once I start spinning, I don't wanna stop. The patterns on the skirt are a map of the stars, healing all the hidden invisible scars. Tambourine shaking like a heart in a cage, writing a new story on a golden page. Lace. Yeah, yeah. Mohawks and safety pins, eyeliner black. I'm heading for the edge and I'm never coming back. Ripped up fishnets and a heart made of glass. Watching all the boring people watch the hours pass. AM and the city is wide awake. I'm moving like a vision, no time for a bracer on my skin. Reflecting every light, I'm the main character in the middle of the night. Chrome on my feet, walking on the air. Watch the way I move, yeah, I know you wanna stay.
So as you can see, the character consistency of Freebeat AI is very good. And it is 95% correct at all times. So once you have now finally decided on your character, the next thing you need to do is choose the aspect ratio. We will leave it set to 16:9. For the resolutions, we will choose the maximum resolution of 1080p. For style, I will use photorealistic. You also have the options to turn on or off captions. I like to leave mine off, and then also turn on the remove watermark. Then at the bottom, you can choose between fast and expert mode. Expert mode does cost more credits, but will give you better results. This is basically the thinking capability of the AI agent. If you put it on fast, the AI agent doesn't spend too much credits on thinking, but if you put it on expert, it will think longer before giving you a final result. So if you do find that the AI is taking a little bit longer to create your music videos, you can always put it on fast mode. For this example, we will set it to expert mode. Now the next feature is probably the most important of them all, the auto mode. If you turn on auto mode, this will let the AI create everything, the images, the videos, everything in one go. It will not ask you any questions or give you any time to adjust anything. This is the fastest option, but you have no control over the final result. That is why I highly recommend that you leave it turned off. This way, we can adjust any images or videos that we want to fix before we generate the final video. Now, before we can click Create, there is one more thing we need to do, and that is add our prompt. If you want to know how to generate these prompts easily, you can have a look at my blueprint where I explain everything step by step. You will find a link to the blueprint in the video description. Now, once you have written your prompt, you can click Create. Now, the first thing the AI will do is analyze everything that we gave it, and for every step, ask you some questions. So you can read through these questions and then answer here in the prompt box. And when you are done, click Continue. The next thing the AI will do is to analyze the music, and then it will give you a detailed analysis of every section of the song. It will tell you what it's planning to do, the energy levels, and some more useful information. If you want to adjust any of this information, you can write here in the prompt box exactly what you want to change and the AI will change it for you. When you are done, you can click Continue. Next, the AI will create the style and framework. So again, you can read through this and tell the AI to adjust anything you don't like. And when you are done, you can continue to the next step. So now, it will give us the whole creative concept of what it will do for every section of the music video. You can read through this and make any adjustments as you want. And once you're happy, you can click Continue. Now that the AI has finally finished planning, it will now start creating the reference images. Once the AI has finished generating the reference images, you will now see them appear here on the right. Now this is a new update of Freebeat AI. Before, there was only one image, but now they have added more images to make the music videos much better. We now have a character look image, location images, and also props. These props can be anything from guitars to anything that the character will have in their hands or wearing. So the AI knows they have to focus on that as well. Now you can go through these, and if you don't like any, you can change it if you want. Don't worry about if some of the images don't have faces, because this is only location images, so they will appear with no faces. Now, if you don't like an image, you can simply click on it and then adjust the prompt. You can also press the Regenerate button, which will regenerate the prompt. Then you can click on Modify All, and the AI will regenerate the images for you. But I am happy with this image, so I will leave it as is. You can also upload images here by clicking the Upload button. This will allow you to upload images and then tell the AI to use these images as props or as locations. So it is possible to add your own images as well. When you are done, click Continue. Now the AI will start doing the scene planning to start creating our storyboard. Now that the AI has done the scene planning, we can go through the scene planning and we can see exactly what it is planning for the atmosphere, the lighting, the narrative function for every section of our music video. And once again, if you don't like anything here, you can tell the AI simply here in the prompt box to change it for you. Now the AI has done the shot planning, it will now tell you exactly on how much credits it will use. So the amount of images it's planning to generate is 25. It costs 10 credits per image, and the total cost will be 250 credits. Now we can click Confirm and Continue. Now that all the scene images are generated, we can now view them here on the right-hand side, going through them one by one to make sure this is exactly what we want. we can look for any imperfections or things that we know that will affect our music video. So here is an image where she has no face, so we will simply regenerate the prompt and then continue to the next. And then we will fix all the images that we don't like and ask the AI to regenerate them. So once you have regenerated all the prompts for the images that had any defects, you can simply click on Modify All Edits. Now the AI will regenerate those images for us. Once your images have regenerated, you can now verify that they are all correct by going through them one more time and making sure everything looks good. Now before we continue to the video generation part, the next thing we want to do is go to the editor by clicking on the editor at the top right. This allows us to see our images with the music track. So this allows you to view all the images as the video plays to make sure that the images are what you want for every part of the music video. This gives you one more chance to adjust any images you want to change before creating the videos. Once you are happy, you can go back to results. And then before we continue, there is another option. Say you want to change any of these images with your own custom image, you can do that by uploading the image here, and then simply telling the AI what to do with that image. So it is possible to add in your own custom images for each scene if you feel like you want to change something and you are not getting the results you want. But if you are happy with these, you can simply click Continue, and the AI will now start generating our videos. Now that all the videos have been generated, you can see them here on the right-hand side, and you can go through them to make sure all of them are correct. You can do it here by clicking on a video and then pressing the play button to play the video, and then go through them one by one to make sure that they are good. The other option you have is to use the editor feature. This is a new feature from Freebeat AI where you can actually listen to the song and watch the videos at the same time. Just make sure to switch it here at the top to videos, and now when you press play, you can actually watch the video with the song, so you will have a much better idea if the videos are correct and if you want to make any changes to them. If you want to make changes to the video, you can simply click on them and press Regenerate Prompt, and then modify all edits, or you can simply prompt the AI in the prompt box which video it is and what is wrong with it, and the AI will fix it for you. When you've regenerated all your videos and are now happy with the video, you can click Continue to move to the next step. But make sure that you are 100% happy, because after this, you cannot regenerate them again. Now that the video is finally merged together, you have now this preview window here on the right-hand side where you can preview your video. You can also click here on Edit. This will open the editor that works like CapCut. Here you have the options to add lyrics to your music video, and you can also choose some animations for the entrance and the exit of each clip. So we can put a fade effect for a start, and then for our exit, we use a zoom. So if we now play the video, those effects were added to the front and the end of this clip. You can also adjust the playback speed. If you click on this icon here, you can adjust the words of your lyrics, or you can choose from presets to change how you want your lyrics to look. You can also adjust the fonts and all the colors or add any effects you would like. And then when you are happy with your video, after doing all your adjustments, you can download it by clicking on the download button. And now that we are finally done, we can now look at the final result.
Once I start spinning, I don't wanna stop. The patterns on my skirt are a map of the stars, healing all the hidden and the visible scars. Tambourine shaking like a heart in a cage, writing a new story on a golden page. Lace in the moonlight, spinning in a dream. Floating down a canyon on a golden beam. My heart is a flower, my soul is a song.
So, as you saw, the music video came out quite great, but the result is highly reflected on what kind of prompt you use. So, play around with different prompts. It will give you different effects. Also, try choosing between singing music video, storytelling music video, and abstract music video will also give you different effects. If you want lip sync, make sure you use the singing music video. The one we just created was a storytelling music video, so there was no lip sync added. Now, the final thing I want to show you about Freebeat AI is their new Onbeat FX. What this does is that you can create shorts for your social media accounts. To use an effect, all you have to do is simply click on it and then choose the song you want to use for your effect. Once your song has been uploaded, you cannot choose any part. The AI will automatically choose the best part to apply to your clip. Just simply click Continue. Also, no need for a prompt. All we need to do is delete this image and add our image of the character we want to make dance, and then click Create. First, the AI will apply the effect to the image you have uploaded. When it is done, a preview window will appear where we can preview how the video will look. And then, if you are happy with it, you can click Use this video. Or if you are not happy with it, you can simply click Regenerate. Next, we have to choose which part of the song we want this effect to get synced to, so we can click on them one by one to listen to the part of the song that we think is the best. And then, when we are happy with our selection, we can click Confirm and Continue. And now the AI will sync the beat to the video clip. Now that the video is generated, we can download it and then look at the result.
Breaking the net. This is the moment you'll never forget. Flash in the pan, but we're burning so bright. Catching the wave in the middle of the night.
Now, if you add a couple of these together by using different Onbeat FX, you can actually make a music video like this.
We were young and loud and stuck in a strobe lit sugar rush. Can we get that midnight touch? Hands up high, we won't sit down. Jump until we shake this town. Same old track, it's all we need. Midnight nostalgia on repeat.
If you want to learn how to use the Onbeat effects to create music videos, you can check out this video, where I do a deep dive in exactly how to use the Onbeat effects to create music videos. I will also leave a link to this video in the video description if you want to check it out. If you got value from this video, please make sure to hit that like button. And if you want to see future videos of me exploring different AI tools, please subscribe. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one.